Want to find or clear your chat history on ChatGPT? Here's the full guide to manage ChatGPT chat history in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Chat history can pile up quickly. Clearing old chats helps with privacy, organization, and starting fresh conversations. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This opens the sidebar. At the bottom of the sidebar, you'll see a list of your previous chats. Press and hold on any chat you want to remove. A menu will appear. Tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm that chat is now removed. Repeat the same steps for any other chats you want to clear. Deleted chats cannot be recovered. Clearing chats does not delete your account. Your chat history is removed only from your device and account view. You can also turn off chat history saving in ChatGPT settings if you don't want conversations stored. Regularly clearing old chats keeps the app faster and more organized. And that's it. That's how to find and clear chat history on ChatGPT in 2026. Subscribe for more ChatGPT tips.